じゃないけ
いいですか？
見ればわかるでしょ。
血圧はまだ大丈夫ですか？
血圧はどう？Hi guys, we are here now in Umeda Tower. So I'm with my friends. We're having a local tour because of our friend is celebrating her birthday. So as you can see outside, there are lots of buildings and the trees, and then it's really cold compared to outside. So we are now in the their museum inside the building. So as you can see, that's the view downstairs. It's really scary, you know. If you're afraid of heights, it is a good challenge for you to come here. So we are going to the longest escalator here with my friends. So even though it's really long and hot, but it's worth it. By the way, if you will come here in this place, it's only 1,500 yen, so around 700 pesos in Philippines, and it's a reasonable price for you to relax, talk with your friends, with your loved ones. Here they are. So those are my friends. So I'll be seeing them in my vlog soon. So this is the place here. It's really hot outside. My shirt is already wet, but it's fine. So what time? Time check. It's 9:40. So it's almost closed. My closing time here is around 10 o'clock. So Nomimono? Coronavirus? So so what do we eat? Saranghe daw. Joke. Maano ko sa vlog ko. So this is a place, big place. So I have a new friend right now. Her name is Rai. She's from BGC. So she's a friend of Jim also. And Jim is with her mom, Tita. So we're having a tour this evening. So it's nice to see different kinds of beer and different kinds of places here in this place. I'm a bit hungry, but I need to stay calm. Dakara ega kang wa muryo desu. Sine wa ega. Muryo desu. Ja, ikau ka? I saw my is there. Birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Pati man ko ni kanda nagpahayag. This is Osaka City. Night view from Umeda Tower. Kishiki.
Very good scenery.
Good, pero
You're okay? Like, are okay? You are okay, girl. Elevator. There's a factor. There's a factor. It's okay.
No? Wala ka makita ba? Sa live lang.
Yan na. Okay na.